Welcome back to another episode of Always Doing Something. Today we are modifying my brother's deadbolt. We are just doing a cheap fix. We're just putting some O-rings in the shocks, making them just a little bit stiffer, you know, just a cheap, easy fix. So I'm on my last one. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm up to. So I got if you haven't done this yet, these little things right here, they just unscrew. Look, I'll screw it back in real quick. Let's get a little bit more light going on here. Alright, you know, when you're old and blind like me. So, here's your stock shock. Just pull that little spring down, twist this off. And then take your little Allen wrench, stick it down in there, twist the end off right here. Don't lose your spring. And then just take that out so I don't lose it. And you take off that little sleeve thing right here. It's a little washer looking thing. I mean, it's pretty small. So you want to make sure you take that off and make sure the spring rests against that, or else the spring will go under the O-rings. I just got a couple little O-rings right here. My brother's lucky, he's getting two. I only got one for now. So then we'll just stick them on right here. And then that little washer piece, put that on. And, you know, then you just put it back together. Oh, see, you gotta be careful with that spring, man. That thing's bouncy. Make sure you don't cross thread it, because they're so small. And then you take the cap. And just like that, done. A little bit stiffer. I've done them all now. Can't really tell, but we're gonna go out there and play on the little track out there that I got in my yard, and we'll see what it does any different or not. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, leave us a comment. You never know what goes on around here, and we'll see you guys later. Check out the drop, how long the shocks you could actually put on here. It's a lot right there. You can put some bigger ones. Get this thing lifted way up high.